Hey everyone, this is Kevin the Entrepreneur. Welcome to my vlog slash media channel. And today we're unboxing something that I'm really happy to have, even though this is technically not the best movie in the world. But I am so happy to be opening this. A Sonic the Hedgehog movie. Here, let's move this down just a little bit more. Just so that it's more centered. Yeah, I'm a huge Sonic fan. I remember playing the original Sonic the Hedgehog on the Sega Genesis, and I've been a fan ever since. And growing up, I bought the comics, I owned the TV shows, I owned virtually every game. I've beaten almost every single game, although Sonic 06, that's a tough one. And I remember wanting a Sonic movie so badly when I was a kid, and being so upset when we never got it. And years later, we got one. It was one I could take my niece and nephews to. We had a blast. And here's the thing, it's not terrible. I mean, granted, it's not great either, but it's not bad. It's pretty good. So having this is definitely a vanity thing for 8-year-old, 10-year-old stuff, however old I was. I was pretty young when Sonic came out. Oh, sheesh. I think I was like 6 or 7 when Sonic the Hedgehog came out. So, yeah, 7-year-old self would have loved to have owned this. It would have been on VHS, of course, but would have loved it anyway. And, well, now we have it on 4K Ultra HD. Now, this is a unique edition because this is a Best Buy Steelbook limited edition. It comes in exclusive Steelbook, unlike, what you're normally going to see. It has a limited edition comic book, which is apparently being sold at multiple retailers. So let's look at this before we open it. There's the back of the box. There's Sonic, James Marsden, and Jim Carrey. I like how you can put right there, Sega. All right, let's open this. You have no idea how difficult it was to hold off on opening this until we did it with you guys. So anyway, all right, that's gonna go away, and let's stuck there. Okay, got some glue. So let's look at this comic real quick, because I own almost every Sonic comic that came in America. And okay, that's definitely different. It's cute. It's basically a retelling of the movie, except in sprite form. Okay, that's a cute idea. Again, it's not the Archie or IDW comics, but this is rather clever. That's an interesting little memento. So there you go. Oh, got some glue on there. All right. So here, let's put the comic right there. There we go. And now let's look at the Steelbook. So you have a nice little image of Sonic, and on the back there's Jim Carrey as Robotnik. We have a digital code, which, don't look that up. It's not going to work by the time this goes up. And we have an ad for Sonic games. That kind of makes sense, including Sonic Dash, whatever. And here's the movie on Ultra 4K. Got to be careful about that. And Blu-ray, of course, they no longer put the DVDs in here. Although that's not really necessary anymore. DVD is definitely obsolete for the most part. And there it is. There is the Sonic look. Love the case. So, anyway, let's put this back. And I guess we'll leave the ad. Why not? I guess we'll leave the ad there. Just kind of part of the packaging. And my fingerprints are already getting all over. That's one of the nasty things about, why isn't this closing? About Steelbooks, is that they get really dirty. So, okay, anyway, that is, there's the Sonic the Hedgehog 4K Steelbook, Best Buy edition. By the way, I love, the movie recommendations. Bumblebee is not a PG-rated movie. It is PG-13. So there you go. So anyway, folks, that's all we have to show that. So Anyway, did you get this edition? If you did you like it? If not, well, would you want it? I think it's going to get very hard to find now. It's one of those editions that, maybe for the first couple days it's in the stores, but then it's very, very hard to find. Anyway, I'd like to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.